Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to do some painting on my bike, and I thought that I would upload it because personally I enjoy watching these types of videos, so I thought that maybe someone else would enjoy watching me do it. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the rear carrier. I have tried to get this off already, but there's one screw that won't come out, so I'm going to take off the seat and do it this way. Alright everyone, so I got it all apart here, as you can see. Did it off camera because there was a couple of bolts that were stuck. So this here part is plastic, so I'm gonna take this off camera. Alright, so here we have the finished product. I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out very well actually. I'm gonna paint the rear sets and the footrest, so if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. I'll be doing it anyway, so I may as well record it. Thanks anyway for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.